This is the teacher example for the EECS 1011 main project. I'll be using Tinkerforge hardware and MATLAB software for my version. Students are expected to use Arduino hardware and MATLAB software. This difference is intentional. For the first learning outcome, we have an algorithm that uses time to go through the different stages of the program. This is shown in the simplified flowchart. A button press indicates a manual override to water the plant. Otherwise, the controller looks to the soil moisture sensor to know when to turn on or off the water pump. For the second learning outcome, we're using procedural programming constructs like loops and conditional statements. We're using a loop that's based on time, and we're using conditional statements based on the state of the button or the state of the soil moisture sensor to turn on a pump. For the third learning outcome, we're using a MATLAB file that includes a function call for initiating a graph. The function has two input parameters and returns a pair of values during graph initialization. For the fourth learning outcome, we use a state machine illustrated in the chart on the left. The state machine is driven by three things: the time, the state of the button, and the state of the soil moisture sensor. The state machine uses this information to determine when to water a plant and for how long. A timeout feature is built in to allow the program to exit. We also have a function that will convert the soil moisture values. This conversion starts with a value of 0 for dry to 2047 for wet, and converts to a value of 1 for dry to a value of 0 for wet. For the fifth learning outcome, we're using MATLAB to automatically, using a program, plot data from the computer-connected sensor, in this case, a soil moisture sensor. For the seventh learning outcome, we're interfacing the central controller to a relay. That relay controls the pump, so it turns the pump on and off, and we use the soil moisture sensor to put data into the controller and send it over USB to the computer.